pruning down the block, and you called. You said, "Hey, y'all planting trees?"
Right.
And we came down. Aaron, the executive director, and I, and spoke with you. Said we don't plant trees, but we said we're gonna get a tree in the ground for you. And
This is a native Missouri tree. We got it from Forest Relief. We don't want to mix the good dirt in with the clay, Missouri clay, because our native Missouri trees like the clay. This is really good dirt.
hey,
This is what I'm calling
the good stuff.
Go! Look at it. It's loose.
On the same lifeline, roots and roses, we combine. Yeah, me brethren, child design. Them said the wine did blow me so, but me not break it, me only grow.
Aaron is going to cut circling roots.
Okay.
Just on the outer edge of the pot. So when these things are grown in pots, their roots tend to go in a circle because they can't, escape the pot. Beautiful dirt.
Yeah, the black gold.
All decomposed leaves.
Love it. Love it.
We dance and sing. All right.
We're going to be returning our pots to Forest Relief of Missouri because they will reuse these this summer. I think I'm going to put our beautiful black dirt just around it. Oh, that's gorgeous. And to Ryan, this is a gift. And slowly give this little guy 5 gallons of water, and he should be good for the rest of the winter. And then, Ryan,